Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok. And don't worry, if you don't want to show your face or your voice, I'll be showing you examples of persons that are doing affiliate marketing on TikTok without showing their face or using their voice, and they are able to make hundreds of dollars per day doing this. For example, on this page right here, all they are doing is simply posting videos with still life photos. So you can see right here a waterfall in the background, and they post a PDF. And these videos are quite easy to make. All you'll need to do is simply go onto canva.com, which is a completely free website that you can go on to create videos, and you'll simply get the videos from Pixabay, or you can use pixels.com. You'll simply type in videos. Then for example, I could type in rainfall. And by the way, the videos that you are getting right here is copyright free, so you don't have to worry about getting a copyright strike or anything like that. So you'd simply download the videos, then you'll convert them on Canva, and you'd upload it on TikTok, and that's it. After you have done that and you have built up a following, you'll be able to add an affiliate link. By the way, you can find affiliate programs that you can sign up onto, from Digistore24 to Canva and numerous things. And here is another example, Health Tips Guide. They are doing the same thing as the previous channel that I showed you, or better yet, the previous page that I showed you. All they are doing is posting still life photos, as you can see right here, and they are leaving their affiliate link. Now, if you would like to show your face and you want to do one that is even more profitable, you could go into the make money niche. As you can see, this person right here, this lady, is doing affiliate programs, and she's showing her face and using her voice. And if you were to tap on her link right here, it will lead you to an affiliate program. And if you were to follow her or read even more into what she's saying, she said she was able to make $15,000 in a few months after starting to do affiliate programs on TikTok. So you can see that it is very profitable, and you don't have to worry about creating a product. That's the beauty about affiliate marketing. You can do it with almost any product or any software, and you don't have to create the product, as all you'll have to do is direct traffic to that particular product. And once someone goes and uses your affiliate link to make a purchase, you'll be able to make a commission. And depending on the product or software that you plan on promoting, the commission can go from anywhere from a few dollars to a couple $1,000s, as there are some affiliate programs that persons are able to get paid over $2,000 or $3,000, as there are some high ticket offers. And if you would like to get into the make money niche but you don't want to show your face, you could do like this person does, Matty Side Hustles. As you can see right here, all he does is videos in his room, of a particular portion of his room, without showing his face, and he leaves an affiliate link in the description right here. And if you were to tap on this link, you'd be redirected, and you'll tap on open anyway. And once you have opened the link, you will be led to his affiliate program, as you can see right here, payingsocialmediajobs.com. And with this, once I've entered my name and email address, this is a pay-per-lead program that he's currently signed up to. So once a person goes and taps on his link and enters their name and email address, he'll get a commission. There are numerous ways, as you can see, to make money with TikTok without showing your face, and also by showing your face. As with this example, this person is in the make money niche, and all she's doing is simple videos on how persons can make money passively online. And once they tap on her link, she has numerous guides that she's offering, and also numerous affiliate programs. And another example that we could look into is this person right here. And again, what they're doing now, their affiliate program, is they're promoting products. So for example, if you need this chair right here, you could simply tap on it. You can look on it. Then if you should tap on their Linktree link and go and make a purchase. So let's say I tap on open anyway. You can see they are an Amazon affiliate right here. So if I were to tap on this link, it would lead me to Amazon. And if I were to go onto Amazon and make a purchase, she'll be able to get a commission. Another example that we could also look into is this person right here. And again, they are an affiliate for Amazon. So you can see Amazon Kitchen Hacks. So if you were to tap on this, and you can watch this, and let's say you want that particular product, you will simply tap on the link right here and it will lead you to Amazon. And let's say you want to do this in a different niche overall and you want to go into woodworking, you can do the same thing. You can promote woodwork products by simply posting woodwork videos that you can get on other social media platforms and post it onto TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and one of these ideas were able to ignite a light in your head and you plan on starting to do some affiliate program on TikTok. Thank you for watching. And if you want to do affiliate marketing but you don't want to do videos, you can also create a website and do a blog just like this person has right here. And you can simply write on topics that you like, on the products that you like, and you'll be able to do leave affiliate links. And by the way, it doesn't have to be products, for example, like projectors or anything like that. You can also refer persons to affiliate links for your favorite software that you like to use. For example, I'm using Filmora. I could add a Filmora affiliate link, and that's it. Once a person sees the product that you are using and you can give them a review on it, they more than likely will use your affiliate link as they have formed some form of trust with you. That's why they'll use your link to do a purchase. And you can also go onto Pinterest, and for example, if I were to type in best projector under $500 and scroll down, you can see numerous persons that are doing Amazon affiliate or some form of affiliate program. For example, if I were to tap on this one right here, you can see if I were to tap on their link and go onto their website, you can see that they are promoting Amazon and they are doing Amazon affiliate marketing by simply scrolling down. If I were to tap on this link right here, it will redirect me to Amazon, and if I were to go through and make a purchase, they would get a commission. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.